from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial and with a new short haired model, Sarah. So if you're looking for a really simple, easy 5-minute braided updo, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. I'm going to start this style by just adding a little bit of lift in this crown area. You don't have to do this bit if you don't want the volume. Just a little bit at the root, just to lift that style up. So I've just gathered this hair with a hair tie or elastic. I'm just going to place that into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to hold on to it, just create a little bit of movement. I'm not going to spend too long. It's going to be a really quick updo. And then I'm simply going to take a section of hair here, smooth it out with my fingers and just do an ordinary 3-strand braid. Not too tight because I am going to be teasing this out. Pop an elastic in. Now, the beauty of it is you've created a little anchor for yourself. So this braid's just going to come over this little ponytail. Get another elastic and you're just going to tie it in. So you don't need to use grips. You don't be like trying to hide your grips. You just pop that in like that and that will just stay there. Same again on this side, guys. Can you see how I've left a bit out at the front and we're going to sweep that down in a little while. So grab a section of hair, 3-strand braid, so you don't need to know how to French braid to do this style. And again, we're just going to take this one, pick up that ponytail, take it round that side, so I sort of almost wrap it around, and again we're going to use an elastic to secure that. I mean, I'm not being funny, guys, but that actually looks kind of cute as a half up style, doesn't it? But we're going to carry on, so we're going to make it into an updo. I'm going to go really quickly, another strand of hair, another braid. I love these really quick styles, so let me know in the comments if you like my sort of more intricate styles or you like these really quick ones that you can do on yourself. Drop me a comment below. Kind of like angling the braid upwards a little bit now. So last little bit here, guys, I'm just going to basically break it into two. This little tuft of hair here, I'm going to do a very, very, very short little braid. And then a little braid on the other side. If there is any little babies that don't go in, don't worry, you can just pin those up in a minute. So I'm just going to take hold of this side and just kind of wrap it around and then pin it straight up here. And then this little one I'm just going to take across the other way and pin it up there. So lastly, we're going to just deal with the side bits. Now you don't need to leave these bits out, you can just kind of braid them in straight away. But I just want to make the style look a little bit softer. So I'm just adding a little bit of back comb to the sides. So just to help it all hold in, I kind of want these bits kind of like almost sweeping over the ear. So I'm just going to add an elastic to the end of this piece of hair and it's just going to make it more controllable, more easy to tuck. So let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to kind of lift up one of those braids and just kind of tuck this hair in. I'm just going to use another pin and just push that in to secure it. So I've chosen just to leave a few bits out here. You could curl those, but I'm just going to leave them soft today. I absolutely love the sweeping effect by leaving those sides out. And you'd never know she had short hair from the back. I just think it looks so cute. You only need to know how to braid. So let me know. I've got an amazing video. If you want something a little bit more edgy, a little bit funkier, just watch this next video coming up. Again, it's really simple techniques. It looks a little bit different. So there we go.